Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find the fuse for your speedometer guys, or also for the speed wheel sensor, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. If your gauges, okay, the one that shows your speed doesn't work, we'll cover that today guys. That should work on the Hyundai Sonata year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostics videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and if your speedometer guys doesn't show the speed, okay, for some reason, if it's not working, we're going to explain now what can cause that and which fuse you need to check guys. Sometimes they may go bad, okay, sometimes humidity gets them and all that stuff. You have two notches here, one there. You're supposed to squish those, okay, and pull straight up. And what do you have here guys? Okay, on the back side you can see the fuse box. That, okay, let me put it like that so we don't have reflection. What we have here corresponds guys, okay, to what we have specifically right here. So the fuse guys that we need to check actually, okay, it's called TSU, okay, and if you come right here, TSU number 2, it's this fuse right here. It's supposed to be a 15 amp fuse. So if you come on this side of the fuse box, I'm talking about, okay, so 10 amp the fourth fuse guys, fourth fuse, 1 2 3 4th fuse right here, 15 amp fuse guys, that's the TSU. Grab the fuse puller, okay, and then you spread it, you go on top of the fuse, pull it out, okay, and simply release it. If you guys need to buy cheap fuses, a whole bunch of them for the price of just buying a few fuses at the parts store, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, I always recommend to test these fuses because sometimes you may think you have a good fuse and you actually have a bad fuse. We have a special video that explains how to test the fuse in probably just less than guys a few seconds. Okay, it's super simple and it will explain how to test it, because if you think you have a good fuse, you install it and you end up putting a bad fuse, you will end up spending more time, money, okay, and effort to fix your car, when all you had to do test the fuse and find out that it's actually guys, it's a bad fuse. So this is the fuse for the speedometer. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.